Hello, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Claude AI, the logins and chatting issues problems. Claude AI, the fixing the issues, the error pop-up show. 3 was any error logging you are in if this problem. Connect your supporting for the access and logins and updated. First of all, the main problem the updated has been clouding AI, the tools and issues problems. And issues problem, the logins, and first of all, the internet connection, the check-ins, and completed processing, router and Wi-Fi connections, while devices completed reset now. First of all, the Chrome browsers, PCs, and laptop and other devices has been updated now. Update completed. Second step has been imported. A status updated. The check has been imported. The status updated. Officially, the Clouding AI outage reporting problems and reporting 4367 reporting problems and issues and crash problems. But update this video and sure please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.